Good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today is the 100-day project, guys. As you're aware, I have actually hurt my back. So I had a bit of an accident and I'm out of sorts pretty badly. So the other day I received a beautiful box from the lovely Amanda. She's from the Your Creative Studio. Look at these vintage boxes she's got, guys, and they're very reasonably priced. So I'll just go to the home. Is it home? Yeah. So there it is, Your Creative Studio, and it's the beautiful Amanda. She's got the prices there in Australian dollars. And she has some specials there as well. These boxes, I've seen a couple on YouTube, and I always wanted to get one. But anyway, since Amanda reached out to me and sent me a box, thank you very much, Amanda. I'm really excited, absolutely excited. So there's the website. You can have the subscription. I don't know how much the subscriptions are, but we'll have a look. Oh, there they are. There's the prices there. Some are up to $60, but you get a lot for this amount of money. But that's Australian dollars, guys. They're about $30-something in the US, I believe, or even a bit less. But you can order ahead and whatnot. And they've got stamps. Hang on a minute. We'll go to stamps. Look at the beautiful stamps, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I'm in love. They are beautiful. And there's quite a bit of the stamps. So there's 19 types of stamps. There's stickers. Oh, it didn't go to stickers. Why didn't it go to stickers? Stickers. My internet's a bit dodgy out here. Oh, there's some washi there. There's washi there. Oh, it's showing a bit of everything. I don't know. I think my internet's a bit dodgy. But anyway, guys, you will see when we do the unboxing, all these beautiful stuff. There's some stickers there. Oh, look at these. These are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Looks like I'll be shopping with Amanda. Yeah, see, my internet's dodgy. My internet's dodgy. So I'm going to create an account with these people because I think these look fabulous. You know, there's some things that I will really use. But anyway, it's Your Creative Studio, and the beautiful owner is Amanda. Anyway, let's open this box. I've been dying to open it. It only came yesterday. And I didn't know what I had ordered, you know. I'm thinking, what have I ordered? Because I don't remember ordering anything. There it is there. Your Creative Studio. Thank you so much for your purchase. Hope you would enjoy the collection. I didn't purchase this. I was asked to do the collection. Oh, it's about travel by the look of things. Trains. Ooh. Let's have a look and see what we've got. Oh, I don't want to wreck the paper. It's gorgeous, guys. The feel of this paper is absolutely divine. So I think we're on day 54 for the 100-day project. I don't know. I'll be lagging a bit behind because of my back. Look at these. Shall we open the cling stamps first? And we'll give them a go. Just got to try and stand up. I can't even stand, guys. I've sort of done a little bit of a damage here. But anyway, we should be right. I'm just making sure that's there so we can start. Because these are stamps. Now, I want to save these. Look at these. Feels beautiful. Everything's beautiful. These are ideal for our junk journals, these envelopes they come in. They're just so nice. Well, they're a lot more like a coin envelope, I guess. There's one stamp. Look at that. Ooh, ooh. We're going to save that. Oh, it's a travel kit. I haven't done a travel kit in so long, guys. We might have to do that. But not today. Not today. Oh, I'm really excited, Amanda. Thank you very much for thinking of me. How cool is that? We're going to try these stamps before we open anything more up. That's washi. I got glasses on, guys. Just as well. Oh, golly. Oh, these are gorgeous. Is there any more stamps there? We're just making sure. No, there isn't. Okay, let's try these stamps out. Oh, I can't stretch, guys. That's the issue. Like, I've hurt my back and all up my neck. I don't know if this ink pad's going to be good. These are solid stamps, guys. Absolutely solid. Oh, I can't do... It's on watercolour paper. Oh. Hang on a minute. My ink pad's dry. Let's try it on this paper. Sorry, guys. I'm being a pain. Being a pain. I'm keeping the plastic on these because we want to do some projects with this stuff. Look at that. My ink pad's very dry, guys. I don't even know where my other one is. You'll have to forgive me, but it's the only way I can do it. I'll put that there, and let's see if we can ink this. I should have put some ink on here, but you know what? You don't think of that when you're in pain. But the Creative Studio package, it looks gorgeous. It really does. Can you hear the birds in here, guys? There's a bird with us today. Oh, there's a little under there. Sorry, guys, I'm very slow. Oh, wow. That's a little bit darker. It's just my ink pad, guys. These stamps work good because I have seen them used before on other channels, but not many, only a couple. And I've thought to myself, I've got to check this lady out. And like I said, it's Amanda from Your Creative Studio. So I'll leave all the links and that down below. Oh, I love these stamps. Look at that. That's how dark it should be. So because I haven't got enough ink on that, it's just making it really hard. So sorry about that, guys. And I like keeping one ink pad a bit faded because I like just lightly putting stuff on my journals. You know, like a faded look. But normally I've got one for stamps where I really want to stamp hard. But anyway, it's not going to happen today because I can't bend. I really can't. Aren't they gorgeous? I want to do this one again because this looks so cute. So we're going to do a travel journal at some stage. Let's see. How gorgeous are they? They really are. Thank you, Amanda, for thinking of me. So we're going to put these envelopes aside because I want to save them. I'll clean those stamps up at some stage. I don't really clean my stamps because I always use the same colour, guys. let's start with the washi tape because I can see what they are. And we want to save these envelopes. And we might use a little bit of washi on here just to see what it looks like, because that's what I like to do. I like to test things, you know. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Now I've got to find where the... Oh, this is gorgeous tape. I can see where it is, but I've got nails and it's supposed to work for me, but you know what it's like when you freshly do nails. They don't work as easy. Ooh, this is so nice. So we're pinching a little bit of this washi tape. Oh, I like it. Isn't that gorgeous? So vintagey. Let's see what the other one is. I'm all about saving packaging, you know. My fingernails, guys. I'm going to save everything, and we're going to use this in our journal. Like a traveller's journal can be done in any size. I hope you know that. Oh, this is gorgeous too. Oh, I like it. Very vintage look. It really is. Oh, so nice. Look at that. We'll cut a piece and put it on here. At least we're doing a little bit of crafts. Oh, that's gorgeous, guys. Oh, it's so nice. Very good quality. Okay, we'll put that aside. We'll centre that a bit more. What have we got here? We have got... Oh, look at these, guys. Journaling cards of some sort. And it's thin enough to use as washi. How cute. And you got lots of it, you know, like lots of it. It's just gorgeous. I can see us using these in our journals quite well. It's old newspaper for that one. What was this one? No, it doesn't say. Oh, life is an illusion. Life is not a dream. Destiny is held in our own hands. That's what it says on the packaging. Hang on a minute. Before I open the other one. Oh. There. So cool. I really like. I really, really like. Very high quality products. I can assure you of that. I'm excited, Amanda. Really, truly excited to have some extra things to play with. And look at this. It's a retro paper. Look at these. This is vellum, guys. Some type of vellum. Oh. Here's some that is parchment-like paper. Oh, I love my papers. How does Amanda know that? Vellum-type paper. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look how clear it is. Look at that, guys. Look. And I'll put it on that. And look at that. Just absolutely gorgeous. You can see through it. Beautiful, beautiful waxed-like paper. And you've got lots of it. Like, absolutely lots of it. So we better put that together. Oh, Amanda, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. I'm gushing over this. This is absolutely beautiful. And even this, it just feels so nice. You know what I mean? And it says, you know, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different types of vellum pieces in there. Like I said, we're going to keep using this for a little bit to show Amanda the love. Oops. Oh, I've done it the easy way this time. Global map. Oh, look at these. This is in a pad form. You can already see the uses of this, guys. Look at that. Like if you're into planners or journals even, you know, this is so nice. It's just it feels like parchment. But look at the maps. You got all types. Oh, wow. I'm excited. Really, truly excited. Look at this one. Find the memory. I love all these bits of labels. Should we get it? Can we get it from the bottom? Oh, yes, we can. Because I like to put things in their packages so I don't lose them. Look at these. How cool. How cool are these? These labels are beautiful, Amanda. We might put a couple on here to show you, you know, on white. So you can actually see. And there's a lot. There's that one. Just showing you a couple. There's that one. I wonder if these are sticker-like. Does it say? Because I've bought stuff like this before, and you can actually undo the backing. Doesn't say. I'm just going to have a look, guys. Let's see. Yes, they are. I'm going to use one because I can always tear it away. How cool is that? Thank you, Amanda. Oh, I really appreciate these stickers. Look at them. Labels that are in sticker form. Look at that. We're going to have so much fun utilising these. Nightshade. Thank you, Amanda. Oh, gosh. I hope you guys like this and go and check out Amanda's store. Now we've got, what's this? Postbox. I don't know. Ruin this. It's plastic there. Yeah, I'm really upset with myself, guys. I really, really am, because I really want to catch up with the 100-day project. But unfortunately, I have really buggered my back up. But I'm going to try and be back on board in the next couple of days. It's just, I've got to take medication, which I don't like to do. I do have issues with my back and ribs, but this time I think I've really disrupted it all with my little accident. Oh, look at this. World of Wonders. Look at this. I think it's stickers, guys. Let's see. I just love it. Look at that. This is stamps. I wonder if they're in sticker form. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, but I like them. I just know this is a gorgeous package to receive, and it would be a gorgeous package to receive every month or so, not necessarily, well, every couple of months, I guess, you know. And it will build my stash back up, because I have used a lot of my stash. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Love them. Yeah, retro stamps they are. This one is stick note. Oh, very, very nice. Look at those sticky notes. So you can attach these like a little flip up in your journal, guys. Anywhere in your journal for notes. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Here's my book. I'm going to put the book back in there. And these are, I think it's rub-ons. Rub-ons or stickers, guys, but they're gorgeous. I think they're stickers, actually stickers. Put them there. And here's the pages, guys. Contains 24 sheets, right? You got 6 by sticker paper, 6 by vellum paper, 6 by art paper, 6 by pattern paper. Let's have a look at this. Oh, wow. And look at this. You wouldn't want to waste that. That's going in that journal we're making. I assure you now, I love it. Oh, my. Look at that. Don't waste nothing. It feels good too. Everything feels good. So, this is, this one must be, I don't think that's the sticker paper. That's the pattern paper. So you've got 6 pattern paper. How gorgeous is that? I think we're going to use some of this, guys, in that journal we're making. Now, this is the sticker paper. Or pattern paper. I don't know what, it's one or the other. Pattern paper, sticker paper, vellum paper, and art paper. No, this is the art paper. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Now we've got the vellum paper. Actually, I don't know, I'm a bit confused, but this is vellum. How cool is that? Hang on, there's 2 there. Look at that. And it feels beautiful. Where's my writing book? A book with word. Hang on a minute. Oh, I don't want to bend. Oh, I can't. I just can't. I can't. Let's check out this vellum paper. There's a page with words. Look at that, guys. You can see the writing. Not that this is very dark, but you can. Look at that. Love it, love it, love it, Amanda. Thank you very much, Lee. We'll be utilising this. Definitely. Oh. It's that one. That one. And that one. Just gorgeous. And this is the one that's you take, I'm not going to take it completely off. It's just sticker paper. Look at that, guys. So there's 6 of those. So I'm going to leave the links below for you. And you're going to see how gorgeous this kit is. It really, really is. You can see how it works. The washi is just divine. That is divine. We're going to use that in our journal. And look at all the things you get. This keeps you going for quite some time, guys. You've got labels, you've got the stamps. And then you've got these packaging to play with. You can even play with that. Because it's not thin. Right, it's thick enough to, you know, use in your journal cards and stuff like that to do, I forget what they're called now, but anyway, you know what I mean. Just gorgeous. So go across to your creative studio. I would like to thank each and every one of you for liking and subscribing. Oh, hang on, there's one more. One more. Oh, no, that was open. Oh, nearly had a panic attack. I thought there was one more. Go across and see your creative studio. This is all I can share today for the 100-day project. But thank you very much, guys, for liking and supporting my channel. Don't forget the giveaway journals. You have got 4 giveaway journals. I've told you the dates. It's the 7th of May, 14th of May, 21st of May, and 28th. Thank you, each and every one of you. Bye. Take care.